Nityanandam. Sorry for the technical glitch. We'll start. Let's sit straight. Remember Paramashiva in your third eye. And let's start with the Sadguru Vandanam. Nityanandam Paramasukharam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gaganasadasham Tattvamasyaadilakshyam Ekam Nityam Vimalamacham Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatītam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Such a beautiful satsang and darshan, initiation. How Bhagavan said beautifully, the Guru Payarchi is protecting all of us. All our devotees will not perish. And such a beautiful space, removing our pandemic fatigue, the boredom and tiredness, the biggest disease that is happening, the whole Thrubhava arrogance, which is getting solidified and destroying everybody. Here, Bhagavan said, beautifully, blissfully unclutch, and you will be regenerated into the super consciousness. With that space, let's start the power manifestation. Let's start with the security measures. What is power manifestation? Power manifestation is nothing but a cognitive shift that can infuse powerfulness into any action or state that we are in. It raises the frequency of our body and mind to ultimate powerfulness, Turyatita. Bhagavan beautifully says, when we are enrolled in the Ghana program, how when we are in awareness, the heightened intelligence, which is the leading us more into the consciousness, the Turyatita, we start manifesting our reality. As long as we see the matter around us, is because we think we are also matter. We are run by the patterns, which again is a matter. Now, Bhagavan beautifully says, when you unclutch and powerful cognition that Bhagavan's beautifully given us, make us understand that consciousness is the ultimate truth. So beautifully, Bhagavan has given us the consciousness as a basic foundation to manifest powers. Who is Paramashiva? Paramashiva is Ajomuha, Avyakta and Vyakta, unmanifest and the manifest, living being who does the Panchakritya, Shrishti, Sthiti, Samhara, Thrubhava and Anugraha. Shrishti, Satyo Jata phase. Manifestation is manifested, manifestation is sustained, manifestation is regenerated, manifestation is pulled out of delusion, and manifestation is liberated. Sustenance, Vamadeva phase. Sustenance is manifested, sustenance is sustained, sustenance is regenerated, sustenance is pulled out of delusion, and sustenance is liberated. Regeneration, Agora phase. Regeneration is manifested, regeneration is sustained, regeneration is regenerated and not destructed if you're unclutching, and regeneration is pulled out of delusion, regeneration is liberated. Delusion is manifested, delusion is sustained, delusion is regenerated, delusion is pulled out of delusion, and delusion is liberated. Anugraha, Ishana phase. The liberation happens, liberation is manifested, liberation is sustained, liberation is regenerated, liberation is pulled out of delusion, and liberation is liberated. Paramashiva, who has come down, has His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, is a reviver of Kailasha, the ancient Enlightenment civilization, the great cosmic borderless Hindu nation. His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, is an avatar from and as a supreme pontiff of Hinduism. He has made the science of power manifestation, yoga, temple-based university for the humanity. Sovereign Order of Kailasha, led by His Divine Holiness, and Nityananda Order of monks, nuns, Hindu diasporas are working for the global peace to give a superconscious breakthrough to humanity. Nityananda Hindu University, world's largest with extended campus in 150 countries, is collecting, organizing, preserving, time capsuling, decoding, spreading, and reviving 20 million source book of Hinduism and 64 sacred arts, science of Ayurveda, music, dance, sculpting, astrology, Vastu, and many more. His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam, is 293rd Guru Mahasannidhanam of Shamala Pita Sarvanya Pita, ancient apex body of Hinduism, and present emperor of Suryavamsa Surangi Samrajyam. Bhagwan has survived the worst persecution of multiple assassination attempts on person and character by anti-Hindu elements. Bhagwan has given us the greatest gift to the humanity, the science of power manifestation, which is authentic, time-tested, scientific, and foolproof. The scriptures, the Vedas and Agamas, the Shastra Pramanas, are the eternal, unchangeable truth revealed in the Hindu source scriptures. Apta Pramanas are the Rishis, Ganas, Munis, Nainamas, Alvars, Siddhas, who are authority of Hinduism, who are the scientists who have time-tested and verified the science of power manifestation. Atma Pramanas are the avatars who land on the planet Earth to give a superconscious breakthrough. Here, His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam, this millennium avatar, personal experience of each power manifestation. Shakshi Pramanas are the experience of millions of disciple, devotees, followers initiated by Bhagwan into science of power manifestation. Shastra Pramana from Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. Today, Bhagwan has given the power of third eye.
The Shastra Pramana for the power of third eye awakening is taken from the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 34, Dharana 11. Kapalantarmanonyasya tishthanmilitalochanaha kramena manasodhadyat lakshaye lakshamuttamam. Kapalantarmanonyasya tishthanmilitalochanaha kramena manasodhadyat lakshaye lakshamuttamam.
So beautiful. Sutra 34, Dharana 11 from Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. By fixing the mind on the inner space within the crown center and sitting stably without any movement, having the eyes closed in succession by stability of the mind, the inner space, through the power of third eye, one directly sees the ultimate goal, Lakshyam. By having the vision beyond the sight that reveals any object or place, attaining the space of oneness with the source Paramashiva. Bhagavan beautifully says how we are constantly in the pandemic fatigue. We throw a tantrum that we cannot stand it. We want to just get out of it. And making decisions during the delusion makes it worse, not only destroys ourselves, but it literally causes so much of problems to everybody around us. Bhagavan beautifully says one example how when there was a traveler in a train and there was a box and the other traveler asked this traveler to remove the box. He did not respond. He looked at the traveler and did not respond. He shouted at the traveler to remove the box. That Other traveler did not even respond. The third time, the traveler said, I'm going to throw the box out. This traveler said, may I help you? So if we understand that it is not all these patterns is not ours, we won't be taking a minute to help that out of us. But as long as we are constantly thinking all this, whatever is happening in the outer world is what we perceive is reality, we are going to be constantly deluding ourselves and making it worse for us, falling into more deeper and deeper depression. As long as we relate to it by fixing the mind on inner space, only when we look in, we start understanding the higher reality, sitting stability without any movement, having the eyes closed in succession, the stability of the mind, the stable mind, only we can start understanding the inner space, the power of third eye, sees the ultimate goal, sees with clarity what we are here for. All the time when we are stuck with every problem attaching to ourselves, every instant attaching to ourselves, thinking everything is us, we are deluding ourselves. How this box was never his, so he did not get disturbed. If we understand this, whatever is happening outside our inner space or the identity which we hold inside us is not us. It does not belong to us. It is created by the mind. The mind is the box which need to be getting off us, so we understand we are consciousness and we understand everything that exists is consciousness. Bhagavan beautifully says, when you have Guru Bhakti, when that is stronger, the unclutching becomes so blissful and easier, and the ultimate is your results. The regeneration happens. Otherwise, the destroying, again getting into birth and death cycle, so much of delusion, they're going to the extreme of throwing a party, COVID party, and seeing who is getting killed. Such a extreme arrogance, solidifying the delusion more and more getting solidified, it becomes the arrogance. The giving the outer world more and more importance, thinking it belongs to you, the more and more we are destroyed. The more and more unclutching that it was never us, ours, in the first place, and clearly seeing that the ultimate goal is being in the oneness with Paramashiva, attaining the space of oneness with the source Paramashiva, the cognition shift that clicks with you today will manifest as powers Bhagavan says. So, Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana. Apta Pramana here, Mahavishnu foresees manifest of Kartikeya. Here in this Purana, he says, by the method of emitting of the life-filled energy, Viryam, on the ground, will certainly be from that life-filled energy, the son named Skanda will be born. So beautiful that Bhagavan always says, the Bala. Sorry for the technical glitch. Bhagavan beautifully says, the Gurukul Balasans are perfection of me. Here, the same way, Bhagavan has beautifully shown that how the Ajo Muha, the sixth phase of Paramashiva, is also part of Skanda. Skanda is born with 6 phases. The perfection of Paramashiva, Skanda was born. Such a beautiful space, Skanda comes out from Paramashiva's third eye and becomes the perfection of the Father, Paramashiva. The Atma Pramana, Bhagavan, when he sat on the rock, Parakunda rock, he was able to see 360 degrees of vision. And so beautifully, he was able to see all the things happening without turning or moving. How much he felt alive under his skin, he was able to beautifully experience aliveness in everything, in the ant crawling around, in the rocks there, in the shrubs there, in the mountain. Everything became part of him. He understood that he is consciousness. Such a beautiful experience when Bhagavan had. He had the 360 degrees vision. He was able to scan or remotely view or see at any distance or see anything around him so clearly because he became oneness with Paramashiva. So beautiful. Bhagavan said he went and complained to Arunagiri Yogeshwara that his yoga guru was training him with a very intense practices. But Bhagavan beautifully said he was always aligned and he never ran away, because Arunagiri Yogeshwara said one beautiful word, that it will only destroy not just him, but everybody else around him if he is in the delusionary assumptions, constantly having the constant delusion becoming arrogance. We are more and more destroying ourselves and everything around us. When he was more connected to the Guru, he simply had the simple obedience and simple integrity aligning to the highest goal. Shakshi Pramana for the power of third eye. Here we have Amma from Canada so beautifully saying that she was able to exactly see the cards that were displayed, and completely she was able to draw the whole thing so beautifully. Now let's start the round one. First, let's get ready with a paper, pen, and an eye band and a camera. Don't miss recording all these great moments, because you never know how beautiful you'll be manifesting all these powers. So please go ahead and record the video with the video timestamp. So let's start the first round. We'll be projecting the sentence. So you can now get ready. Let's sit straight. Let's get the eye band, pencil, pen, whatever remember you have. Tie your eye band, clearly arrange everything. Tie your eye band in such a way that there is no light passing through it. Now let's sit straight with the head, neck, and spine in a straight line. Remember Paramashiva in your third eye. Always we are living in the Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, and Manipuraha, which is only the food, greed, and fear. Raise yourself to bring your awareness to the Agnya, which is how the gods and goddesses live. Remembrance is liberation. Remembering Paramashiva again and again in your third eye is liberation. Absolute unclutching. Bhagavan beautifully said, blissful unclutching to experience the state of Paramashiva, complete completion to experience the space of Paramashiva, completing with your inner identity and outer identity that completely all are delusion. We will not go by pandemic fatigue because of the delusion that constantly telling us we are related to the world. Complete unclutching. The world will still function. How beautifully the ocean does not have a mind. Sun does not have a mind. It still functions so beautifully. It doesn't think tomorrow what time I have to raise, tomorrow what time I have to leave. It does not have a planning, but it amazingly does. Our very nature, Bhagavan says, is unclutched space. Everything functions so beautifully when we are unclutched. So break the boredom and tiredness, the pandemic fatigue in us, ferociously experience the powers of Paramashiva. Do the Tyaga, that Paramashiva is the only strength. Declare very clearly that I am consciousness, I am Paramashiva. The higher identity is the integrity with Bhagavan. Again and again, being as Paramashiva is our ultimate goal. Experience that as our reality. Simple integrity, simple obedience. Now let's chant the Mahavakya. Make sure your videos are clear when you record it so that you can post at the end of Mahavakya. We'll display the words on the screen now and play the Mahavakya. You chant the Mahavakya intensely. Your whole being should vibrate with it. When you chant the Mahavakya, it's a passcode to raise your frequency to Paramashiva's space. Again and again, contemplate the words Bhagavan has given. Unclutch from the outer world, outer and inner identity. Complete oneness with Paramashiva. The Shaktipada happens when you're feeling the oneness with Paramashiva, and chant the Mahavakya continuously. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Now we'll display the words and play the Mahavakya.
And manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda. I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda.
Beautiful. Now you can open your eye bands and see the 3 letters. Attracting right people. Even you're getting the few things correct. That's awesome. I just got people, I just got ting. Whatever Bhagwan has shown you in the 3rd eye, simply start celebrating it. Manifesting is the way we exist in the existential reality, the potentiality of each of us, the ultimate possibility. So when you celebrate even the little things that Bhagwan shows, simply you will understand that is the way the consciousness, the space, the state, the powers, and the being of Paramashiva is expressing through you. Now let's go to the next cycle. So you have to again blindfold yourself and start the video. Have the pen, paper, everything ready. I'll tell you the secret, simple secret, how the Balasan starts reading. When they pick up the pen and paper, they write whatever comes and just says, Paramashiva is showing me all this. When they continuously write, whatever Paramashiva is showing, simply after a few times, they see the exact words also appearing. Never doubt anything. When Bhagwan is there, we have nothing to doubt. He simply runs the whole universe. He can run our simple power manifestation. That Bhagwan said, without any decision fatigue, pandemic fatigue, I can run the whole universe, making thousands of decisions continuously in the Paramashanta space, because he is not even connected, related to what is happening, but completely responsible for what he's doing. Being in that space, complete unclutch, absolute unclutch, absolute infinity starts expressing through us. So let's sit straight with the head, neck, and spine in a straight line. Remember Paramashiva in your 3rd eye. Absolute unclutching. This whole world, whatever you know, everything is a dream. Completely unclutch from it. Bring yourself to complete completion. Whatever the mind says, it's not possible, I can't see, it is dark. Unclutch from that. Very clearly, the oneness with Paramashiva. Very clearly declare the oneness with Paramashiva, ferociously breaking the boredom and tiredness. No delusion, no self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred speech, no hate speech. Only the space of Paramashiva inside you as your strength. Remember your Guru again and again in your inner space. This is just an appointment with you and your Guru, completely melting in your Guru and being in the oneness with your Guru. Other than that, nothing exists. Come to a reality and simply declare, Paramashiva will show you and he will simply show us. When we become empty, he will fill with the third eye. So let's start the power manifestation with intense chanting, Mahavakya. Next phrase I will now project. Please make sure your eye bands are on and make sure there's no light which is touching your eyes, and only through your third eye. Just focus on your third eye. Whatever is revealed, start penning down. You will simply see it happen in front of you. The whole phrase. Complete integrity with Bhagavan. You are Paramashiva. You are manifesting the whole phrase. Now let's start chanting the Mahavakya for another 10 minutes. Make sure you're recording the whole thing so that you can post it, and you'll be so amazed. And also so many things get revealed when you see the video. So make sure your video is recording what you're doing. So let's start chanting the Mahavakya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Yes, you can open your eye bags. So beautiful. You can read the words, too good to be ignored. So whatever Paramashiva has revealed, please authentically take a picture, video record the whole thing, and please share it. If you're in Paramashiva, go ahead and share it in the HTH page. Here, if you're in NTV or Facebook or any other social media, you can share in tinyurl.com/power-manifestation. Your powerful cognition and power manifestation. Bhagavan beautifully gives us, like how a mother would give in a Montessori school, some clay dough to improve your finger fine motor skills, the finger strength, instead of making you write continuously. Bhagavan has given a simple way to pull us out of delusion is sharing. When we share constantly, we remind ourselves the higher identity. I am Paramashiva. I manifested these because I am Paramashiva. That is my ultimate space. So again and again reiterating to, when we are telling the world about it and causing others reality, causing is liberation itself. When you mirror into others and others are exactly doing whatever you're thinking, you manifested your reality. So go ahead and share and cause others higher reality. Again and again, this is a very simple practice, but it liberates you. Such a beautiful space that Bhagavan gives us, that 4 things that we need to do: powerful cognition, power manifestation, sharing, and causing people to come to Bhagavan satsangs or the courtyard session. Extreme power manifestation is extreme causing. Bhagavan beautifully says, when we cause others reality, our reality, we are pulled out of delusion and we are liberated. The regeneration happens and not destruction. The Paramashiva Ghana program that Bhagavan is giving us for this very purpose. This will make us very active, and being participating in all these programs make us more and more consciousness and getting liberated from this delusion, constantly pulling us into more and more deeper suffering. So with that, let's thank Bhagavan for revealing today this power manifestation with a deep gratitude, and with a deep seeking and gratitude, ask Bhagavan to make the Guru Bhakti and consciousness, the space of Paramashiva, as your higher reality, as your existential reality. So with that, remember Paramashiva in your third eye, and let's end with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nanda Paramashivam Padika Arpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. See you all in the next Kotiyat session for power manifestation. Nityanandam.